Why digital assets are the new real estate. What if you could own prime real estate in the digital world? Properties that never need repairs, generate income 24/7, and can be managed from anywhere on Earth. Welcome to the new frontier of wealth building, where digital assets are creating more millionaires than traditional real estate ever did for previous generations. Digital assets share the same fundamental characteristics that made real estate such a powerful wealth builder for our parents and grandparents. They can appreciate in value, generate ongoing revenue, and be leveraged to create additional opportunities. The difference is that instead of dealing with physical properties, you're building and acquiring assets that exist in the digital realm. Just like prime real estate location, digital assets thrive on attention and traffic. A popular website, social media channel, or online course platform is like owning a busy shopping mall in the digital world. The visitors who come to your digital property can be monetized through advertising, affiliate marketing, product sales, or subscriptions. The more valuable the attention you attract, the more revenue your digital property can generate. The barrier to entry for digital assets is dramatically lower than physical real estate. You don't need a massive down payment or perfect credit score to start building digital properties. With just a domain name and hosting, you can claim your piece of digital land and begin developing it into something valuable. This accessibility has democratized wealth building in ways previous generations could only dream of. Digital assets offer scalability that physical properties can't match. A successful online course can be sold to thousands of students simultaneously without additional effort. An ebook can be downloaded infinitely without needing to print more copies. A software tool can serve millions of users without requiring larger office space. This scalability creates exponential growth potential that's simply not possible with physical assets. Maintenance and management of digital assets happen at a fraction of the cost of physical properties. There are no leaky roofs, broken pipes, or tenant complaints to manage. While digital assets do require updating and optimization, these tasks can often be automated or delegated to specialists anywhere in the world. This efficiency means more of your revenue flows directly to your bottom line. The global reach of digital assets creates diversification that physical real estate can't provide. While a physical rental property is tied to one location's economy, your digital assets can generate income from every country simultaneously. This global diversification protects you from local economic downturns and exposes your business to growth opportunities worldwide. Just like real estate developers who built shopping centers and office towers, successful digital entrepreneurs understand the value of creating ecosystems. They build interconnected digital properties that support and enhance each other's value. A YouTube channel drives traffic to a blog, which promotes an online course, which funnels students into a membership community. This strategic approach creates a digital empire much more valuable than its individual parts. The most successful digital asset builders understand that they're not just creating content, they're building equity in attention economies. They focus on creating lasting value rather than chasing temporary trends. They develop assets that will remain relevant and valuable for years, much like investors who buy properties in neighborhoods with strong long-term growth potential. If you're ready to explore building wealth through digital assets, we invite you to join our community. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on creating and growing digital properties that can generate freedom and financial security for years to come.